Alright, hello guys. Today we're playing this game called Night Before the Blizzard. Alright, let's go. I'll say hi. Say hi, Trollpro.
Hi.
Alright.
Hi again. I've been in many videos, but I probably will be.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Oh.
Alright, so I have no idea how this game works.
Basically I gotta survive against a monster. Alright, you gotta put, oh yeah, come here. You gotta put wood in the fireplace. You gotta get the wood storage. Also, turn up your graphics a little bit, cause it's better. If you can. If you can, if you can.
They are all the way up.
Alright.
Oh, I can't jump.
You wanna skip it or nah?
Nah.
Alright.
Attention,
new,
citizens of Roblox, we have an urgent alert. There has been a serious incident at a ski resort near your location, where an individual was injured by an unknown thing. Please avoid the mentioned area and report any unusual activity immediately. Additionally, there is a snowstorm approaching your county. In order to ensure your safety, please follow these guidelines.
Yeah, skip it.
Alright, get wood from the outside, place wood in the fireplace, keep the fireplace lit at all times. The delusional may appear in the closet. Open the closet to scare away him, and if you don't find him in time, then he'll jump scare you and deal damage.
Delusional may appear in the wardrobes, causing noise and strange effects.
Yeah.
Open the wardrobes in order to scare away delusional. If you don't find delusional in time, he will jump scare you and deal damage.
Also, someone...
Winter horn may spawn randomly during the blizzard with a scream. Use the PC camera to flash to scare him away. It can only be used during the blizzard.
Yeah, someone will have to be on the cameras for tonight. Who wants
to?
That.
No, I'll do that. Expect to find some block shade that spawns in the drawers or various other locations. The flashlight can be used to see more clearly. In the blizzard, press F to activate it. Store wood in the wood storage for later use in the fireplace. So, the one guy I am scared of is the guy in the wardrobes.
Alright, yeah. He has like a laugh. He does like a laugh or a knock. Make sure to turn up your volume.
Oh, my volume is...
Oh my gosh.
Sucks.
Oh, there's blocks
my volume up at 12 a.m.
I mean, you don't have to.
I mean, the problem is I'm gonna be scared.
Alright, here you go.
Time. Don't we need to get wood already?
Yeah. Also, get this block shade. It'll give you an infinite stamina, I think.
Infinite?
Yeah.
So I can use it now?
No, don't. Use it at like a situation where you need to run from him, the winter horn.
That's too late.
Oh my gosh.
Infinite stamina, yeah. How am I supposed to know if it's infinite? It's called infinite.
Bro, what?
Why is it in it?
What do you mean? Bro, for some reason I detected language that might violate Roblox's community standards. I didn't even swear or anything. What do you mean?
I never have that. I've never had that, even though I've said like, you know,
the swear word. Yeah. Oh! No. Go, get back inside! Get back inside! Hurry! Go!
Close the door!
Alright, put the wood in the fireplace. Oh my gosh. Alright, boom. Alright. Now, check the cameras. I'll be the one to get the firewood and the closet,
Where's the cameras?
In there.
Here?
Yeah, if you hear a scream, make sure to look for him. Oh yeah, if you hear knocking. If you can't find him in time, he'll jump scare you. Where is he? Found him. Oh my gosh.
That looks like the guy from the Intruder game.
Yeah.
I hate it.
Alright,
so I didn't hear anything, so that's not gonna...
Alright, if you hear a scream, make sure to check through the cameras immediately. And flash it. Yeah. And if you see him, the horn dude, then flash him. Alright.
Don't you do it? You'll do the cameras. You do the cameras. Because I thought we need to be outside.
Oh, wood. There we go. Are you sure? Are you sure you want to do the
Wait.
firewood and stuff? You sure?
No.
Alright.
What's that?
Yeah. No, we're good. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that was knocking. Never mind. Also,
But
make
he
sure...
has particles through the thing, so I can just walk to every cabinet, even though I don't need to open it.
Make sure to not waste too much of your battery. All right, I'll go get the wood. Be right back. I'll get the wood. Oh my gosh. Oh no 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 no!
Oh my god! Oh, I flashed him.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I screamed so loud. Bro, I literally screamed so loud.
Yeah, I heard that.
Ah! Oh, what happened? Oh my gosh, I'm not dead. No. Oh my, whatever. What? What? Him? Oh, the dude. Oh, shoot. What? Where is he?
I heard him.
Oh no.
Maybe I'm just hallucinating.
We're gonna get caught lacking. Hello? Nope, he's not here. Flash him! Did you get him?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'll go get more wood.
I hate that. That's actually...
I'll go. Oh my gosh!
See, we did miss him.
That actually scared me. Oh, I gotta go get more wood. Go. Oh my gosh. I gotta get more wood. I gotta go. Why? You good? You good? Hello? Troll? I'm scared. Troll? Hello? Oh no. Oh, Troll, where did you go? Oh no, my man got cooked. Oh, it's gonna be so worrying getting freaking. All right, screw it. Go. No! Please! Ah! Oh! Ow! Oh. Holy
yeah,
crap!
I got jump scared by that guy.
That
I
actually.
got jump scared by the same guy.
That jump scared me so hard. I was like, Troll, where are you? Oh my gosh. Wait, did you actually hear my voice chat too when I was waiting while I was
yeah,
going for you?
Yeah, I can hear you when I'm
Oh. Alright. Well, let's try another time. Let's go again. Oh my gosh.
The thing that happened to me is like I heard him, but I couldn't see him in time. I didn't see him anywhere, and the moment I saw him was when he entered my room.
Oh dang. I'm actually loving this though. I'm loving this.
I'm hating it.
This is why I love Roblox voice chat in horror games. It's more funnier and scarier, you know.
Yeah.
You good?
Still so sick.
Don't
Nah.
skip it. Don't skip it, by the way. Don't skip it. I gotta get more wood.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Alright. Okay, I guess you do gotta skip it.
No, don't.
Oh, wait, what? Wait, why?
I'm still searching for a Bloxy Cola, man.
Oh, yeah,
I have one.
Bloxy. A Bloxy egg. Alright.
Found it.
Alright. Put wood in the fireplace. Put wood in the fireplace. Come with me. We gotta put wood. Also, apparently my brother's gonna edit this video, so W to my
Oh,
brother.
nice.
W to my brother.
Yeah. I'll definitely make a thumbnail again.
Alright, yeah. For anyone who doesn't know, he's my thumbnail editor, so.
Yeah. Since recently, you have noticed that on like
Yeah.
the escape room video and the upcoming video,
Yeah. Alright,
or maybe the video that's already out.
yeah. Maybe. But that's gonna be a secret.
Well, you technically already.
What did you do to your real
You didn't-
beer, bro? What did you do? Bro, my brother's root beer is literally fizzing right now.
Lol.
Alright, skip prep time, let's go. Let's do this. Alright, second attempt. Alright, here we go. Alright, you're gonna be on the cameras, right?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll check for the closet. And if you hear the closet dude in your room, then check for him. And if you hear a scream, just check the dude instantly for winter fog warning.
Can I forever watch the cameras or not? Cause
Probably
I
not.
don't know
Yeah,
how
probably
loud
not.
he is.
Oh, where is he? No, stay in here.
Not here.
Stay in here. Oh, where is he? Hello? Oh, ah, ow, oh.
Already, bro? That's not a good sign.
I didn't hear him. I just swear I didn't see the particle. That actually scared me too.
Wait, if I close my door, isn't it harder
Oh, yeah.
for him to get in?
Oh yeah. Oh.
That's good.
Oh yeah, you can actually flick on light switches, by the way. So I think you can just do that. Actually,
For what?
I don't know. Actually, let's not risk it for how long. You know.
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, the wood.
I hear him.
Oh yeah, him. Yeah, the closet dude. Got him. Oh, the fire's getting low. I got it. Alright, I'll get more firewood. I swear to gosh, if he comes out, I knew it. Get him. Oh my gosh, get him. Flash him. He's in the hallway. There you go. Good job.
Yeah, I thought I heard the intruder again.
Alright. Closet, dude. Shoot. Also, Trollpro. Oh, Foghorn. Get him.
Where is he?
I'll tell you. He's in the hallway. He's in the hallway. Get him. Oh. Also,
I didn't
Trollpro.
see him anywhere, so
I think I can
just
only.
waited. I just waited on this cam.
No. I think I can only go up to 2 to 3 wood before before it dies out, you know.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get more wood. Stay at the cameras.
I heard him.
Come on!
Shit.
Get him! Oh my gosh.
I was so scared I accidentally said a swear word. My bad.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Don't cut that out. Ah. Okay. Why? Ah. Jeez. I'll get one more wood. He's coming. He's coming.
Where is he?
Don't cut that out. He's right there. Got him. Don't cut that out. We're in this forward. Don't cut that out. Go, 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 go. Oh, you got him? Alright, he got him, he got him, he got him. Good, good, good. Winter! Foghorn! Get out!
Where?
I don't know!
Oh,
Oh, okay, you got him, you got him, you got him. Alright.
Jesus.
Alright, I'll stay in here, just in case. Because we're actually running low in health. I am, to be honest. Because the clock...
I am full health.
I'm at almost dead. That doesn't make sense, actually.
Almost dead. And health or at
Health. Because
region?
I keep going out to the frickin' I keep going outside and the frickin' closet dude. Oh, closet! Was he in there? No.
Where is he?
Ah! Oh! Oh! I didn't even hear him! I didn't even hear him! Oh, that scared me so bad. Oh! This video's gonna contain so much screaming, bro. Oh, jeez. Bro, I did not even hear the scream. Where was he?
I did, but how am I supposed to know from which window he wants to break? If he wants to break the window in front of my eyes, then he can. Can I look there? No.
I didn't even hear this. Me personally, I did not even hear the scream at all.
We will go until we beat it.
For real, bro. We've got this. We'll beat it. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll beat it, but maybe probably cut some parts
Yeah.
out if we...
Alright. Alright.
Don't have to make this a long video too for your brother.
Yeah, my brother is probably gonna... Yeah. Alright. Put in the fireplace. Alright. Let's get some wood.
Oh.
What? It says put one in the fireplace.
Wait, stay there.
Alright. Alright. Stay there. Ooh, I see you. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Troll, can you hear me? What is he doing? Oh. Oh, okay. Boom. Alright. Pretty sure 2 to 3 wood is good. Alright. I don't like that sound. Alright, skip the night, I think? Or do we find a block seed first? Nope. Is there anything in here? Nope. Wow, is there gonna be no block seed? Oh, my nose is so stuffy. Jeez, absolutely no block seed.
Did we both not get one?
Yeah, we both did it, I guess. Alright, ready. Alright, let's lock in tonight. I know, this could sound so oh! Block seed! Here. You want to have it, or should I have it? Troll? Should I have the block seed, or do you want it?
Your voice chat is on.
Oh. My bad. Oh, found him. Bro, my voice chat was off this entire time.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I said through the window, can you hear me and all that? Do you want this block seed that I found?
Yeah, because I didn't find any.
Alright, come here. Here it is, it's right here.
Uh,
Alright, I'll go get more wood. Welcome. I'll go get more wood. Alright, I'm gonna trick him. I'm gonna trick the freaking foghorn, dude. Alright, wait till he comes. Oh, okay, now he doesn't appear. Alright, whatever. Close that. I'm over here. There we go. It's not dying out yet. And then... Go, 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 go. Get the freaking wood, get the freaking wood. Go! Ugh! Alright. Alright, 2 to 3 is good. Winterhorn! Oh, shoot! Just check the hallway. There you go. We got him. Alright, this is where the... This is where the real fun starts. You good?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, this is where the real fun starts.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Oh, got him. I got the dude.
Winter Horror is probably gonna spawn in like 2 seconds.
Alright. Alright, time to get wood before he spawns. Oh, Winterhorn! Winterhorn!
Where?
Just check the hallway. Right here! Flash him! Alright. Ooh, that was close.
Yeah, my bad.
Go, go, go. Yeah! What was that? Hey! What was that?
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot! Oh!
Get it! This one!
Oh, my gosh.
They
Alright.
came at the same time with the window.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Alright. Winterhorn! Fog! Where is he? There you go. Yeah, he usually comes through the hallway, so...
Yeah.
Bruh. Ain't no way. That's wild. Bro, it literally keeps saying that I'm saying a swear or something, even though I'm not. That's why I hate Roblox voice
Even
chat.
though
I
I've
love
said-
it.
Where is it? I'm looking at the hall.
Yeah, just look at the hallway. He'll come through the hallway. There. Alright. Alright, I'll go get more wood. It's probably better not to just say anything, to be honest, when you use Roblox voice chat. Oh, he's coming. Ooh, how close was I to dying? Oh,
Very close.
all right. Oh my gosh, my battery's almost dead. Uh-oh. I gotta save up. I think I might just not use it for the rest of the night. I don't know. He's coming! Woo! Woo!
Oh, he's coming fast.
Oh, I almost got cooked.
He came in hot.
Yeah. Alright, let's check for closet. Oh, my battery's almost dead. Again?
Don't go too close. Don't go too close.
Bro, again? They like at the same time. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Alright. Alright, check the hallway. Check the hallway. He's there! There you go.
Yeah. Yo, we're beating this!
Come on, just 1 more hour. Oh my
Gotta go
gosh.
shut up.
Yeah. I don't. My battery's almost dead though. Oh no.
Mine isn't. Mine is halfway.
Alright, yeah, I probably gotta save my battery, bro. Oh, he's coming.
Don't get too close to him. You see why?
Oh. That's not good. My battery's dead. Oh no. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just tried to get rid of the closet monster, you know. Oh, check the cameras.
Just stay here.
All right, pretty sure we're good now. All
Are
right,
we good with wood?
let me check. Yeah, we're good. He's coming. Flash him. Cut. He's coming. All right. Pretty sure we're good now. Yes! Let's go. Hey. Oh. Wow. 30 minutes. They're almost 30 minutes in and my VC almost being gone. And we won.
Oh my god.
Alright. Maybe
That was a great ending.
Yeah. Yeah. Also,
Oh, sure. Yeah, I know what you mean. There's a good game.
alright. I muted myself by the way, so I didn't say what game because we should play next, so. Alright.
No spoilers. No
Yeah.
spoilers.
Alright, well, this was a good video, and it took us about like 4 to 3 attempts, and I'll see you guys later.
Three.
Yeah.
See ya.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Bye.